started about the year that I was born. I don't know that I can go all the way back.
The company was started back in 1962. Four brothers, Tom, Dick, Harry, and Art. They actually had a bunch of different ventures that they were working on.
They owned apartments.
They had a bowling alley,
The coal business, a fuel oil business.
selling farm equipment,
They owned a gas station. They weren't afraid to get into anything.
and one thing that they did decide to get into was the timber frame barn.
Woodford Brothers Construction. There's no job too big or too small.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Until you're completely satisfied, you don't have to pay.
Big or small, they do it all.
They built my uncle's barn on his farm.
Uncle Dick, he is old school, man.
And when we first started, we never had a contract with anybody. It was always a handshake with a farmer. And our model was, unless you're completely satisfied, you don't have to pay. So we did the work and they paid us.
I can tell you that I've worked at the company for virtually my entire life.
Every single child in the family went to work for us.
Mike and Tom took over in 1995.
When they took over, they did carry on very well and did much, much better than we ever did.
We joined the network in 2011.
We had a job for a retainage wall where we needed some helical tiebacks, and that's when we got introduced to Randy Dykeman.
He ended up going over to Supportworks, and they didn't have a dealer out in this area, so he reached out to us, and
That's the short version from point A to point Z.
The culture here is unmatched anywhere I've ever worked. There's a reason why I stay here.
As a family-owned business, the company is just like family.
They accept everybody, no matter if you're a little bit off the rocker or not. They take care of you just like family.
When it comes to being treated right, paid right, this place is amazing. It really is.
I've just proceeded to grow. I've gotten stronger, smarter. They really just helped me every step of the way.
I've never had a job where you actually put a smile on someone's face, you know. Every time we leave a customer's house, it's a good feeling knowing that you changed their life.
It's really nice to know that you work for a company that wants to give back.
They go out of their way to do more than just fix someone's basement. They clean tombstones for the vets.
We also gave a free dry basement to a family this year through an SU athletics program.
Woodford Brothers and Syracuse Athletics recently ran a contest where one grand prize winner received a home basement waterproofing courtesy of Woodford Brothers.
So yeah, the outreach that we try to do every year is great.
They got a really good thing going for them. It's very good to be part of that.
When they announced that Woodford had won the Integrity Award.
It's my honor to present this year's Integrity Award winner to Tom and Mike Woodford and the team at Woodford Brothers.
Probably all of us, our heart kind of sunk.
Honestly, didn't even know what to feel. I know that in my heart, initially I'm thinking, man, how did we get this? We have so much more work to do.
They're not going anywhere, and it makes me proud to work here.
People hire us all the time because they trust us and they know us to be honest.
We know that we will always do the right thing, and we always have that common goal, and we will do whatever's right to satisfy our customers, the company, and our employees.
We're literally looking at the next generation and setting them up so that they can be successful in the future.
We try to do honest work. We always have a nice reputation, and I'm happy.